Want glitch and shake like this? First, get your clips ready and get the shake video effect. Now put one keyframe at the start and make the intensity and speed 0. Put another keyframe at the end and make the intensity 100 and the speed 80. Now duplicate and put 80 intensity and 100 speed. On the first keyframe. My voice is tired, just follow the video instructions.